Most people get this wrong. They assume all app developers are the same, but Bending Spoons has a unique approach that produces high-quality apps with sleek design and usability. Today, I'm giving you an honest review based on my experience using one of their apps. Bending Spoons is an Italian app development company known for creating popular apps across fitness, photography, and health categories. Their apps stand out because of intuitive design, smooth performance, and frequent updates. For example, I used their photo editing app, and it felt responsive, with professional-level features without being overwhelming. One thing I noticed is that Bending Spoons focuses heavily on user experience. The onboarding process is simple, tutorials are clear, and features are easy to navigate. They also integrate AI tools in some apps, like automated photo enhancements, which saves time and improves results. The apps are generally free with optional premium subscriptions for advanced features. Most people get frustrated with freemium models, but Bending Spoons keeps ads minimal and offers a real value in the free version. Updates are frequent, which means bugs get fixed quickly and new features roll out regularly. The downside is that some apps require in-app purchases to unlock the full potential. Also, while they excel in certain categories like photography or fitness, they may not cover niche use cases. In conclusion, Bending Spoons apps are polished, reliable, and user-friendly. If you want apps that combine simplicity, functionality, and professional features, they are worth checking out. Subscribe for more honest reviews of apps and software to help you find tools that actually make life easier.